Polygon price prediction 2023 could trigger an explosive Matic price rally because Polygon is hovering at this key level. Well, we're going to dive into it in this video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Polygon, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies to watch and hold right now, as I think it's gearing up for even more widespread adoption. We saw what happened in 2022 with so many Web2 companies choosing Polygon to work with and to enter into Web3. So now we're going to take a look at some price levels here for Polygon. As we've seen here, since the beginning of 2023, the price of Polygon has increased by right around 30%. Recently, the Polygon network went through a crucial hard fork, an improvement the community had been looking forward to. The hard fork was implemented in a bid to mitigate the rising gas prices and address chain reorganizations to reduce time to finality. So how about the price activity? Let's take a look here. So during the course of the past few days, there's been notable rise in Matic's price above the $1.25 zone. With the release of US PCE data, of course, which emphasized about rising inflation, caused Matic's price to drop on Friday, along with pretty much all other significant crypto assets. The price of Matic is currently trading, though, over a crucial threshold. Take a look at where Matic is right now, sitting right at their 127, 128 now. We could see if a favorable bounce takes place. This is coming from Michael Van de Pope, really like his work. Predicts the Matic price could see a 20 to 25% boost, which would give us a price target of right around $1.56. So the bullish thesis for the altcoin can be rendered worthless if the price falls, though, below the indicated level. And according to Pope, Matic might try to retest the $1 mark again. Polygon's currently down 57.47% from its all-time high, which was $2.92 last seen in 2021, and bears a market cap right now of roughly $11 billion at the time of this writing. So again, we're looking at kind of a point here there where Matic is going to either rise or fall, and it's been trapped in this kind of price point for very long. So for a very long time. So as things stand, the price of Polygon currently, right there at $1.28. And we've seen that come down in recent days. Additionally, it should be noted that Matic's technical analysis indicators are pointing at a sell position right now by moving averages, suggesting a sell at 10 and buy at level 6. So that is kind of what we're seeing there. But Michael Van de Pope is providing an opportunity here for Matic to see that $1.50 price level. $1.56 would be Michael Van de Pope's level to watch here. If we do get some positive news and we get a positive crypto rally, look for Polygon to be one of the big gainers. We saw it happen in late 2022. It outperformed pretty much the entire market last year. Looking forward to watching Polygon. Polygon is one of those cryptos in the top 10 already, and one of the top cryptos that I think will eventually get into the top 5, especially when you exclude stable coins. You're looking at XRP and Cardano, which are a little bit higher in market cap than Polygon. I think Polygon has a tremendous opportunity to leapfrog both of those assets. I do. And I love Cardano. I'm a huge Cardano bull, and I love XRP. But I think that's how I feel about Polygon right now and what they've done in laying their foundation in recent years. So appreciate you guys as always. We'll see what happens here with Polygon. It's hovering at a key price level. Could trigger an explosive Matic rally, or we could dial back all the way less than $1, providing a great opportunity to get in if you missed it on the way up here in recent months. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you.